Oh yes. What?
Rossignol.
What the hell? Oh, okay. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, dit.
Gaat fout.
I think we're live.
We are live. Hello, welcome everybody to the YouTube. It is very nice to see y'all here. Yeah, we got a lot of really nice songs for you this evening. I am joined by the lovely Widzinho and the lovely Jorginho as well. Jorginho is after the knobs, as it were, and Hida is after the cameras. We already have the lovely Trisha joining us. Lovely to see you, my love. If you have any requests, let us know. But we have a really lovely program, so stay tuned. Yeah. How is everybody? People should write in the comments how they are and where they are watching from. We meant to ask you. I forgot to ask you this already.
Oh yeah, that's right. We have to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna have a special
Reading session. If
A dramatic reading of
yes.
The Force Doth Awaken.
Yeah. So Hida has this amazing book, which you'll have to stay tuned for, because it's going to be Wookiee Shakespeare. I kid you not. Shakespeare Wookiee. Anyway, yeah. Let's just get started. We've got like 15 songs tonight, so we're going to have to go really quickly. I'm going to do everything at double tempo.
You mean 50, right?
15.
50.
15.
50.
We already have the lovely Beth joining us on WhatsApp comments. So, I know it's crazy that it's the 30th, right? Man,
Yeah.
like I swear for me, time stopped when Corona hit. So I really have it that like in my brain, it's still like March, April time, and that time hasn't progressed since then. So it's very surreal. Anyway. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying the word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. A smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. But you say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you're holding me, you drown out the crowd. Oxford and Cambridge could never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me whenever I fall. But you say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Agior koma, vamorton koma, isheni kogo pura skani chirima. Agior koma, mamorton koma, isheni garlu apura skani chirima. Skane toma, varinema, much kiride kmachari askani chirima. Skani vorek ma vagonen kma siralati vagvagona skani chirima. Skane toma, Well, this is a lovely lot of comments to walk to walk back to come back to. That was When You Say Nothing at All and Vagyorko Ma, a gorgeous Mingrelian song from the country of Georgia. Hi, Greg. Nice of you to join us.
Stefano Orlando says hi from Instagram.
Ciao, Stefano. Yes, Keith Whiteley was the original. It's lovely that all you guys are joining and writing. Oh, so much love. Keep writing because it makes me very happy. All writing and only piano makes Benjamin a happy boy. Or what was the quote? Anyway, I'm sure only my sister will appreciate that Simpsons reference. Boys, I think it's time to sing something together already.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Let's wait, I'm going to do one song.
Check this thing.
Go on.
Talkback is working.
So Joao gets to...
Talking from backstage.
I don't know what to say now. So we're going to go to Catalonia and do two absolutely gorgeous Catalonian songs.
I know a song in Catalan.
Ah, yeah? Which song?
Maybe I'll sing it later.
Something about a dragonfly?
No, maybe I'll sing it later if I feel like.
Wait, are you being for real?
No.
Oh, okay. I was like, bruv, why didn't you say this earlier?
It's the one we're going to sing, so. People on Facebook and Instagram, go to YouTube right now.
Thank you, Joao. Joao's being bossy, but yes, people joining us on Instagram and Facebook, head over to YouTube. And remember, Joao needs to come and be boss man,
right now.
dominant, over Ni hao. That's like all the Chinese I'm going to say online because I'm too worried about saying something rude. Joao needs to say other stuff.
The link in Instagram is on the profile.
Thank you, Joao. So we have a very special...
The link on Facebook is under the video.
Thank you, Joao.
Now, I see 3 people right now on Facebook and Instagram. Go, 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 go.
Yes, you.
Yes, you.
Yeah,
Only
the
you
one on
can-
Instagram and the 2 on Facebook right now.
Okay, so we're going to
Or
go...
else we'll have problems.
Joao, can you rustig aan, please?
Can you relax on, please? Can you calm on?
So that was... I did 2 nice songs. Now we're going to do 2 very nice Catalonian songs. We're going to start with Boig per tu, and then we're going to go to join the... to the Nightingale.
I don't know. What do you write in here?
What are y'all writing?
I'm writing
Boig
the
per
set
tu.
list.
Ah, Joao's doing the set list. Bruv. Okay, this is very clever. Okay, so guys, you guys can join me on stage at the end of the song, okay? Because we're going to segue.
Okay. Go, go, go.
Since this is a very special concert, this is our 30th concert, OMG! Then we're doing like just all my favorites and just really nice ones, including a few new ones in Bulgarian and Chinese, so stick around later, or stick around for later. La terra mi dai scrit, saps justic Boig partu, am paso als dies, asparant la nit. Com at puc estimar, si de mi estàs tan lluny, servil·li acabat, Boig per tu. Sem el pequedes d'aquest bar, jo no puc arribar rimas tu. Però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré. Servil-hi acabat, boig per tu. Quan no hi siguis al matí, les llàgrimes s'espatran entre la pluja que caurà avui. Em quedaré atrapat, ebri d'aquesta llum. Servil-hi acabat, boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on estou, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré. Servil-hi acabat, boig per tu. Sé molt bé que des d'aquest bar jo no puc arribar on estou, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la beuré. Servil-hi acabat, servil-hi acabat, servil-hi acabat, boig per tu.
Rossinyol, que vas a França, rossinyol, encomana'm a la mare, rossinyol, d'un bell boscatge, rossinyol, d'un vol. Encomana'm a la mare, rossinyol, i a mon pare no pas gaire, rossinyol, d'un vell boscatge, rossinyol, d'un vol.
Perquè m'ha malmaridada, rossinyol, a un pastor me n'ha maldada, rossinyol, d'un vell boscatge, rossinyol, que em fa guarda la ramada, rossinyol. He perdut a l'escallada, rossinyol, d'un vell boscatge, rossinyol.
rossignol d'un alba kermela trapana rossignol Baker torna mala cabra rossignol Rossignol d'un petoi una brasada rossignol
Això són coses de mainatge. Rossinyol, contenen pa, volen formatge, rossinyol, don me mascatge, rossinyol,
Rossignol, casa frasa rossignol Cabana mana mana rossignol Don me mascaccia rossignol Don
I love that so much. Thank you, boys, for joining me.
You're welcome, Benjamin.
The boys will be singing a lot in this concert. So,
At least another time.
yeah,
Hi Pedro.
at least 15 other times. Guys, we have some very exciting news because we have Pecha Off, which is the Patreon we're going to be using. But basically, Patreon is American and we have to pay loads of fees to use Patreon. So now we're using Pecha Off. There is a link underneath. Use Google Translate for now. And the guy who made it assured me that they're working on an English version. So now we have that out the way. My voice is already gone.
So close, no matter how far.
I wanted to do that one.
And nothing else matters.
So close, no matter how far.
Oh yeah.
Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are. But nothing else matters. This is a teaser for next week. I'm going to sing that. Make sure y'all are here. Okay, so.
For a moment, I thought I interrupted you.
Never.
What do you mean you interrupted me?
Like, because I was listening. Oh yeah. Oh, he's playing. Sorry.
Guys, it's so lovely that so many of you all are in the comments. Oh, it's so nice. Thank you. Everybody saying that was lovely. That was really, it's one of the saddest songs I know, and it's just generally gorgeous. We've still got a lot of songs cracking on. So we are going to go straight to a Chinese one, which I learned today. So I apologize in advance. Sorry. Oh, dude, no, not okay. I'm going to do a Chinese song, which I learned today. So the Chinese will probably be all wrong. So I apologize to the Chinese speakers in the chat.
The Cornish writer says on Instagram, he doesn't say anything, just.
Oh. Hi, Taran. Make sure you go to YouTube.
Yeah, I think he's gone.
Oh, okay.
From Instagram.
So, here we...
Yang Z.
Who?
Yin Yang Z.
Yin Yang.
Oh,
Yi Yang. Yi
You have
Yang.
to match on Tinder as well. I think with Sharif because he sent her a message. I wonder what he looks like.
Let's.
Oh no.
I didn't know that you liked. I'll tell everyone. Announce it to the world. Joao is keeping the set list up to date. He just wrote Chinese.
That's fantastic. This one is called. I forgot because I also saved it as Chinese song because I was doing it quickly.
Oh, so you're even worse than me.
Because I can never be bothered to go and get all the characters. Okay, well, anyway, here is a beautiful Chinese song. Yes, anyway. 情愿跟着你的气息。人生几何能过得到自己，失去生命的力量也不可惜。所以我求求你，别让我离开你。除了你，我不能感到一丝丝情意。
It rains so much right now.
It's really, really, really raining.
It's raining so much right now.
One could say it's raining men.
It's raining pipe steals.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Is that what rains in the Netherlands? Pipe steals?
Yeah, pipe stelen.
Well, in Portugal it rains the things we used for the water made by...
Buckets.
No, but not buckets, made of ceramics.
Ah, thank you. Joao, you're being told what the song was. Thank you for letting us know which song that was.
Thank you very much, Martineo Pound.
How do you say thank you in Chinese, Joao?
Shay Shay.
Shay Shay Martin.
I don't know if my friend is watching this. I'm not going to name him for privacy reasons. I speak a bit of Chinese. I was learning Chinese. And I went with my friend and he invited me for the first time in my life. We had a pedicure. And I felt super uncomfortable. But the people doing it were Chinese and speaking Chinese the whole time. And it was really interesting because I could understand half of it and was like trying to listen to it. And at the end, as I was paying, I said, "Xie xie," which is thank you in Mandarin. And she was like, "Oh my God, he understands." And then my friend who was with me, really, it was like the best thing I've ever seen. Because he like walked up and as he paid, he was like, "Xie xie," and like really proudly walked away. It was so nice. And oh man, that has been a source of endless fun and joy. So to the person that did that, thank you. I'm sure I'll be getting a funny text if they are watching this. So we have one special holiday. 2 secs. I'm going to do one more song and make sure that the special person is online and watching. Otherwise, guys, if you have any other requests, Over the Hedge, Ben Folds, which song? I did the one a while back. Let me know, Beth. Otherwise, what other songs do we have? Boys, is it time to sing something else together?
I don't know. You're the boss.
You're the boss. We still have 3, right?
We still have 3.
So let's do one.
Yeah, let's do, Down by the Saligardinos.
You should smell this.
What, the rain?
No.
You?
No, the rain.
Oh, right. Hida just told us that we should smell what, well, anyway. It's been okay, sorry. The main one we love. I will do that in a minute. Right, there's 11 people watching and probably more on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram. Guys on Instagram and Facebook, go over to YouTube. Everybody, click on the like button. Get ready, and click on the like button just underneath the video on YouTube, in YouTube, in 3, because there's 8 people. 8 people have liked it, and there are 11 people watching. So I'm not good at maths. That's at least more than 2. Thank you. Someone's already like.
I want to take my like back, please.
Oh, man, please.
We don't kid
Hey.
about maths.
Pedro, we will do that in a minute. We'll get Joao up here again to do it. We can do that in a bit.
Creep is
You know
nice.
Pedro is?
Could you?
It's my cousin.
Olá, Pedro.
It's the
CEO do Joao. No, not CEO. Ah, awesome.
Me pote.
Talvez, Pedro. Vamos ver se nos apetece.
Let's just do this one or do it as part of
Oh, nice. Obrigado, Pedro.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice. He.
Hey! Hey!
Are you going to show it to the camera?
Pedro. Pedro.
Rest in peace.
Hey. Yo. I thought we were friends, man. What the hell? Rude.
Road.
What was it? I just had it.
It's called Whither Must I Wander?
Yeah, cheers. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do... where is it? Here. I'm going to do one verse of Whither Must I Wander, then we do the first verse, a cappella, then I do another verse, and then we do the second verse, and then I do the third verse again. Okay?
So, one verse for each song, like bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
Pam, pam, pam,
And-
pam, pam, pam.
Get it? It's like
No.
Whither Must I Wander?
Yeah.
Study Gardens. Whither Must I Wander? Study Gardens. Whither Must I Wander?
Okay.
And let's sing Whither Must I Wander all together.
Whither must I wander?
Just in unison. Joao, can you do that? Switching.
Yeah, let me.
Does anybody know a good joke? There's a lot of you in the comments. Maybe y'all could be. Do you have the lyrics, Joao?
Knock knock.
I was vamping for you, bruv. You're not the one supposed to be doing the joke.
No, yeah. But then my brain just stopped. Like, joke. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. I should have the score somewhere around here. Oh, but then. Whither must I wander?
Right. Right.
Oh yes.
Final Fantasy.
Can we? No, we did it last week.
No, we did it last week. That's
But it's the favorite.
not again. Okay,
Hey,
Joao, do you have
I just found a joke.
you were not the one supposed to be
Two
finding
girls.
a joke.
Two girls, one to the other. Hey, I
Is
have
this
news.
sexist?
No.
I
No.
okay.
No, it's fine.
So surprise me.
Ah, it's fine. He said while looking at the sexist joke.
Yeah.
Hey, I have news. Yesterday I did a pregnancy test. Oh, really? And what was the hardest question? You're mental retarded, aren't you? Oh, what did you answer?
Oh, for the love of baby Jesus! Oh, I apologize.
not sexist,
This is
it's
why we
also-
keep him behind the cameras.
No, this also works with men or any other kind of thing.
Okay, so we're
This is
starting.
not- this
We're
is not
starting
a-
with "Rhythmist I Wonder." Let's sing all in unison.
No one
From now on,
understands me.
we have a ban on Joao telling jokes on. Oh, for the love
You guys
of!
are laughing.
Oh.
It's a good joke.
I have you got the text? And you understand the next?
Well, since we've started, I might as well take a joke as well. I got
Yeah.
a couple one.
I've been waiting for you guys.
Home, no more home to me. Whither must I wander? Hunger my driver. I go where I must. Cold blows the winter wind over hill and heather. Thick drives the rain, and my roof is in the dust. Loved of wise men was the shade of my roof tree. The true word of welcome was spoken in the door. Dear days of old, with their faces in the firelight, kind folks of old, you come again no more. Down by the Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. Home assembled, my dear, full of kindly faces. Home was home, and my dear, happy for the child. Fire and the windows bright glittered on the moorland. Song
hearts, the true hearts that love the place of home. In a field by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid the snow-white hand. She bid me take love easy as the grass grows on the weeds. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of tears. Spring shall come again, calling up the moorfowl. Spring shall bring the sun and rain, bring the bees and flowers. Red shall the heather bloom over hill and valley. Soft flow the stream through the even flowing hours. Sad as it shone on my childhood, fair shine the day on the house with open door. But I go forever and come again no Oh, that was so fun. There's such a very nice program this evening. Guys, we now have 14 likes. Thank you for everybody who liked.
Nice.
You know who you are.
So we have one very special person today.
Only one.
Three special people today. So everybody can join in at home, singing for Charlie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you. Lang zou die leven, lang zou die leven, lang zou die leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Happy birthday, Charlie. Oh, oh, oh.
Charlie. Happy birthday freestyle.
Thank you, boys.
Happy birthday.
You're excused. One is excused.
One shall be.
And of course,
one
since
one are excused.
since it's Charlie's birthday.
Today.
No, it was the day after yours. Then we have to do one of Charlie's favorite songs, and this is Inevitable by, of course, Shakira. Si es cuestión de confesar, no sé preparar café y no entiendo de fútbol. Creo que alguna vez fue infiel, juego mal hasta el parque si jamás uso reloj. Y para ser más franco, nadie piensa en ti como lo hago yo, aunque te dé lo mismo. Si es cuestión de confesar, nunca duermo antes de 10 y ni me baño los domingos. La verdad es que también lloro una vez al mes, sobre todo cuando hay frío. Conmigo nada es fácil, ya debes saber, me conoces bien. Y el cielo está cansado ya de ver la lluvia caer, y cada vez que pasa es uno más parecido a ayer. No encuentro forma alguna de olvidarte, porque seguir amándote es inevitable. Siempre supe que es mejor cuando hay que hablar de dos, empezar por uno mismo. Ya sabrás la situación, que aquí todo está peor, pero al menos aún respiro. No tienes que decirlo, no vas a volver, te conozco bien. Y el cielo está cansado ya de ver la lluvia caer, y cada día que pasa es uno más parecido a ayer. No encuentro forma alguna de olvidarte, porque ser amándote es inevitable. Es inevitable. pasar de dos, empezar por uno mismo. I am very happy with the set list tonight. I'm loving this. Oh, there we go. Which is
What a nice song. Who wrote it?
Shakira.
He said in the beginning.
Oh. Is she famous? Does she have other songs? Do you know any other songs? That
Maybe we could do. I think I know a few other ones.
Okay.
That we could do actually.
Because now I'm curious.
You weren't before.
I've been being curious.
So let's do a little. I need y'all both.
Yeah.
No, both the two of us.
Both
Yeah.
wall.
Both of y'all, because our favorite Lynn Goldsmith is not here this evening.
Oh.
And we are very sad because I don't know what the weather is like in Gorenhaven, nor do I know what she's drinking this
Yeah.
evening. And legit, I don't know how I'm gonna, survive the night not knowing that. It's a sad, sad situation.
Maybe we can call her. We can video call her.
It's getting more and more absurd. Sad, sad situation.
What's that from?
I don't know. I know it from Miranda. That's all I know. Hida's favorite TV show.
Sage 7 says.
Hello. Whoever's watching on Instagram or Facebook, go over to YouTube. And people watching on YouTube, go underneath, click on the Pecha Off link, go to Google Translate and give us all your puli. Thank you.
Right now!
Can you not belligerate the viewers, please?
Joao would
Some people like it.
Joao would waterboard people
Sure.
for money.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Don't hurt us.
You're funny.
Do I need to bring my whip with me?
Fist.
No, not fist.
Yeah.
Wappa.
Then no.
Do you know that episode of Friends?
Yeah, man. Friends is Benjamin's favorite show. We watch it all the time. He quotes it to me.
That's
That's
couldn't
true.
Be further from the
He's
truth.
lying because he's embarrassed. It's true.
Why should he be embarrassed? Such a nice show.
Why?
I'm not. Y'all are the worst. Okay, let's start with.
Wappa! Yeah.
Okay, Joao, you have cousin Jack.
No, I have cousin Pedro.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I have cousin.
Hey, cousin Pedro is
cousin
watching.
Maria, cousin Laura, cousin.
Follow me home,
Cousin Pedro. That's actually what the original was.
Yeah, it was the original one, but then they translated it to a Cornish adequate version.
Yeah.
With a more Cornish name.
You know, by the way, you know what this means, right?
I don't think he does.
In England
In
or
the
in
UK.
the UK. In
No.
the UK. Yeah. It's like
This is peace,
Oh,
but this is FU, but the British version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you asked, shall we do the second version? It's like,
we looked up. We looked up, and you were just like,
whoa.
hey, you know what? You know what?
Yeah.
intercultural
Yeah.
communication here.
It's the worst.
K friend.
It's the worst trying to communicate with someone of a completely different culture. Most of the times I think I'm being nice and it's like,
Yeah, water.
The hell did you
people
just-
that are gonna donate is really nice. That transcends culture.
no, but some people like it.
Can we at least ask the viewers if they appreciate getting waterboarded before we?
Do I have your consent to waterboard you?
Dear viewers, do you mind if I am mean to you sometimes? Like bad cop, good cop?
Let us know in the comments. Maybe we can have like a survey.
Yeah, an
Yeah,
open discussion.
Yeah.
People
poll,
who
poll.
want to be. What's the verb
Bullied.
Bullied by Joao, say I in the comments.
Yeah.
People who don't want to be bullied by Joao, say
Nay.
we love Joao in the comments. Yeah.
Oh my god. So
We need
you're trying to
we need lots of love for Joao right
you're
now.
trying to defeat me by sending me love? Oh my god. That's very therapeutic.
This is for Lynn.
Dear Lynn,
The
thank you for
first
watching.
time I met you, my darling, your face was as pale as a rose, but now your dear face has grown paler, as pale as a lily white rose. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you. Thank you. You're fair as the spring, oh my darling. Your face shines so bright, so divine. The fairest of blooms in my garden. Oh, lily white rose, you are mine. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you. Years pass by so quickly, my darling. Each makes you more precious to me. But long may we grow close together. Oh, lily white rose, cling to me. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you. Now I am alone, my sweet darling. I walk through the garden and weep, but spring shall return with your presence. Oh, lily white rose, mine to keep. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows.
It's the rose that reminds me of you.
This land is barren and broken, scarred like the face of the moon. Our tongue so rarely spoken, the towns all around face ruin. Will there be work in New Brunswick? Shall I find work on the Cape if I turn away down to Australia? How will I ever escape?
Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the load or inside a vein. Where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving old Cornwall behind and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack.
The soil is too poor to make you, granite and clay left no chance. Visions of heavens deceived us when John Wesley gave us a voice. Did Joseph once come to St. Michael's Mount? 2,000 years past in a dream, when you're chasing your way through the darkness, lost in the heart of a sea.
Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the Lord or inside a vein. Where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving old Cornwall behind and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack.
I dream of a bridge across the Tamar. It opens us up to the east. But the English, they live in our houses, and the Spanish, they fish in our seas. Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground,
That's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the Lord or inside a vein. Where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic and tin flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving old Cornwall behind and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack. Follow me down, Cousin Jack.
Oh, that was so nice. Thank you guys for joining me.
Thank you,
Ah. So that was our little Cornish medley. Oh, Andrew. Great. My sister says, Raoul, so long as we can be mean back.
Yeah, well, fair enough.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
If we can what?
if we can be mean back.
Let them come. Let them.
Okay, before my voice is
We're
any
all
more.
kindly invited.
Okay.
Warmly invited.
Warmly. Oh, should we sing happy birthday to someone else?
Yeah.
Who is it this time?
Please, can everybody in the chat send a love heart for
so mad.
our beautiful boy Widzinho, because this beautiful laddie was jarig a few days ago, Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah,
I'm bad at maths. I was trying to count how many.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Virginio. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal je leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Gefeliciteerd.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone at home, for singing along.
We assume all of you sang at home.
Yes.
Oh, you got a love heart. for your
Pedro. I'm so moved.
He's redempting himself.
He's
completely.
redempting himself.
Yeah,
Yeah, sorry.
completely.
He's completely redempting himself.
Yeah.
So I don't know if people are watching.
Too good.
I just had a really lovely message from my dad saying, too good, love heart.
Exactly.
And that was so sweet. No, there were no kisses this time.
Oh, no kisses.
No kisses yet. But there were kisses on the one before.
Yeah.
Cousin Jack, kiss. Wonderful kiss. So, thank you, Dad. Love
Cousin
you.
Jack.
Thank you, Roger.
Wonderful.
Okay,
That's
so
how it's pronounced.
I love it how I love it how people from the UK, let's say this way, use the X's all the time. It's very
also
I
as
think it's very nice.
punctuation.
Yeah.
You know, how are you, kiss? Love to see you, kiss. It's very cute.
Yeah.
But then my dad gets shy that we draw attention to.
Yeah.
So the next two songs are beautiful Bulgarian songs. Okay, so I went to Bulgaria a few times and I learned Bulgarian, and of course,
I'll go now.
in the meantime, yeah, thank you, boys. So resentful. Bye. Please don't break Scarlos. Scarlatti. Anyway.
That's another thing.
Anyway, so here are two very beautiful, I keep saying nearly Georgian, Bulgarian songs, which are Umoreni Krila, Tired Wings, and
Pedro is asking if he's tried to redeem himself.
Aw,
Yes, for sure.
and
If it's sincere, then yes, absolutely.
y'all are adorable. So the thing is, I kind of ruined my voice doing all this stuff before this. Rude. Don't say
Good excuse.
Why are you... I thought you were going to be way more catty than that.
What's your problem? It's like I've done some stupid joke or something.
Długi alei i prozračni nebesa, gorešti oblaci, parjatoršesti krila. Długi alei, labirinti od cvetja, cvet različene, među radosti tega. Umoreni krila, nebeto ne dostigat, te ugasvat nad bjala döga. Umoreni krila, pod slunce to zaspivat, ödegata topi se v Dolgi aleji, nostalgici tišina, tja nosi mirisa na odkysnutí cvetja. Dolgi aleji, šepnat spomeni bezbroj, cvetat različeni, svet vseki nov poroj. Umoreni krila, nebeto ne dostiga, te ugosvat nad bjala döga. Umoreni krila, pod slunce to zaspivat, a dögata topi se v megla. Umoreni krila, nebeto ne dostiga, te ugosvat nad bjala döga. Umoreni krila, pod slunce to zaspivat, a dögata topi se v megla. Varvjet lidvamo na dalek pot i pjetanjamo nešte se sprat, šte bratjat bliski po ta zemlja. A kak ne iskam, da sam sama. Rešat lidvama, da dirjat brod, vtja grevja plama, zasjal život. To je praska iskri, skrapita a kak ne iskam, da sam sama. Deljat lidva sadba dobrat li damo vedno isti vavte zemlja a kak ne iskam da sam sama a kak ne iskam da sam sama. Thank you, boys. Two, two very beautiful Bulgarian songs there. We had a lot of other ones on as well. So we're gonna do a bit of a fun schnibble. I just need to the birthday boy has a very special book,
Yes, he does.
which was given to him by the lovely Timo Bops Braithwaite. And 2 years ago, right? Timo Bops.
Maybe 3 years ago.
Maybe 3 years ago.
I like Timo Bobs. Sounds like Robocop. Autobots.
Joining in all
Timo
this.
Bobs.
Thanks, Judes.
Wid said thanks, Jude.
Judes.
Jude's with two Z's.
Zeds.
I knew, girl. Do you want to take the center stage? So another good thing about the Pecha Off underneath is when you subscribe, you get access to a load of behind the scenes stuff. So basically, it's the most random thing. You get to watch us warming up, or you get to listen to Hida reading literature, or you get to watch Joao video
Literature.
So there's a lot of fun stuff going on. So y'all should sign up and give us all your puli and get access to the backstage stuff.
And give us all your money. Give us money, money, money. Give us money.
I think the one that you read for me and Joao, that
Yeah.
scene is, I think that's the best scene because it's the whole context. So I will leave you in the very competent hands of Mr. Claycomb.
I need to find the. Oh, this is also nice. Have you seen this? The pictures. So it's all rewritten into the style of Shakespeare, and this is rewriting of Star Wars Part 7, The Force Awakens, but now William Shakespeare's The Force Doth Awaken. And spoilers ahead. So if you don't want to know anything about the movie yet, haven't seen it, and no, I mean there are 9. So this one it was like must be like 5 years ago, I guess. Force Awakens Part 7.
Oh, yes, the 7.
And then you had like The Return of Skywalker and something. Okay. In this scene, there's a confrontation between two characters called Kylo Ren and Han Solo. Han Solo we know from the original trilogy, but he married, or well, got a son with Princess Leia, whose name is Ben, but sadly he turned to the dark side, and his name, the name that he adopted, is Kylo Ren. So we have confrontation between Kylo Ren and his father, Han Solo. Chewbacca is there as well.
Who is Chewbacca?
Chewbacca is Han's smuggler friend, who looks like a big bear, basically.
It's me.
Yeah, it's Benjamin. Do you want to do Chewbacca's part?
Just go there and do it.
It's just one line, right?
It's just it's too well. I mean,
Jesus.
actually, there's a big part, but it's just the
But you can do the translation. I'll do the.
yeah.
Oh my lord.
No, that's I mean
All of this just to say he wants to be a bear.
Benjamin
Right.
is a bear.
I'm
Okay.
not wanting. I is.
Where shall I start?
Your parents should be very proud. I is.
Han Solo, long have I
It's good.
awaited
It's not
this.
like they're both English.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I don't really know where to start for it to make sense, so I guess I'll just start.
From the beginning of the book.
Yeah. To
not sure we have time to
Araceli, Addison, and Sophie, that you may grow to be as strong as Rey. Dramatis Personae also has it. Prologue. Enter chorus. That's cool. So it starts with a chorus. Okay, but let's keep the pace up.
Caramba.
Okay, so yeah, this is a good point to start. So Han is trying to convince Kylo to return to the dark side, to return to his mother and father, because they will always love him. So enter scene, curtain, and I'll just say which character is saying it before I start the text, so there's no misunderstanding. Kylo. I do confess that I'm torn asunder. From all this pain I fain would be set free. I know what I must do, yet fear I've not the strength to make it so. Oh, wilt thou help? Kylo Ren reaches to hand Han his lightsaber. Han. Of course, whate'er thou wishest, my sweet boy, thou bring'st and e'er did bring me such great joy. Kylo, aside. Beyond the chamber dies the light outside, and 'twere the light within my very soul. Thus, in my core doth darkness reign at last. Kylo Ren turns on his lightsaber and runs Han through. Han, my son, whose face is still so dear to me. Oh, how I see thy mother still in thee. Dear Leia, who did love this scoundrel so, I failed thee, could not save our boy from woe. Mount, mount, my soul, thy seat is up on high, whilst my gross flesh sinks downward, here to die. Han Solo dies. Kylo. My thanks, old man. Thou givest me what I need. Chewbacca. Editor's translation. Nay, nay, thou noble man, thou canst not die. I'll not allow it, never shall it be. Thou art too proud for death's dark, humbling fall. Thou art too good for murder's evil road. Thou art too witty for death's dismal pall. Thou art too sly for murder's clumsy step. This cord of fate I shall untie. Reverse, pull out the stitches, thread thy life anew. Rewrite the scene that hath been authored here, and put thee once more in a starring role. Oh, misery beyond a Wookiee's sense. I had no heart until thou wert my friend. No mind until I learned to think with thee. No soul until we piloted as one. How many hours have we spent laughing in the air? How many meals and days have we two shared? How many enemies sidestepped or dodged? How many loads of treasure smuggled we? Oh, I shall never know thy like again. With grief Chewbacca's life shall e'er be filled. If I do smile again, 'twill be too soon. If I forget thee, galaxies would fall. If I recover, call me not a friend, for naught can mend the heart that now doth break. He was the second half that made me whole. So I shall go unto my final rest imperfect, aye, and incomplete, without the company of Han, my dearest friend. I shall with mournful tread now walk the deck. My captain lies, a fallen, cold, and dead. Thank you. The force doth awaken.
Wonderful how translates into this huge text.
Yeah. I've heard Wookieese is a compact language.
Yeah, it's actually, they're very emotional people.
Yeah, I get
So-
that. I mean, yeah, they'd have to be to come up with poetry like
Yeah.
that. If e'er I do smile again, call me not a friend.
Yeah,
It's really beautiful.
I like it.
Anyway, Widzinho lent it to me so I could
If you give us enough money, we can do a staged version of this.
Oh yes!
With
Oh,
costumes.
Yeah.
So everybody go to the Patch It Off and give us all your puli so we can do that. Oh, we only have 10 minutes.
Yeah,
20
awesome.
minutes. 21 minutes. What else did we have? There's some stuff I can do next week.
Shall we do Pedro's request?
What was
Quick or not really? Just as
Yeah. Hold on. Sorry. Could we do it next week? Will he be watching? Pedro, você vai ver lá o concerto a próxima semana?
No.
Na semana. Vamos cantar o clipe na próxima semana. O clipe.
Yeah.
Boys,
Positive or not. That was inspired.
who said that?
Trish.
Ok, Pedro, é uma promessa. I don't know how to say. It has been agreed upon.
It has been agreed upon by
A
the two
gentleman's
parties.
agreement.
By the two parties.
Okay, boys, you may join me. This was a very, very popular medley that we did, California medley. And y'all can...
Jasper's here.
Oh, Jasper Lever, Jasper Lever. Thank you for joining.
Sorry. We're missing 2 likes on our video.
We're missing 2 likes. Anybody, make sure you like the video. Thank you. I know a place where the grass is really greener, warm, wet and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice, laying underneath the palm trees. The boys break the necks, trying to creep a little sneak peek. You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the golden coast. Want your body with us, you'll be falling in love. Oh, California girls, California girls. You just bikinis on top, some kiss skin so hot, will melt your popsicle. Whoa, California girls. Fresh fairs, we got it unlocked. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Whoa, sex on a beach. We don't mind signing our stilettos. We freak in my Jeep. Snoop Doggy Dogg on the stereo. Whoa, you can travel the world. once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Whoa, California girls,
California girls.
easy jukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot, we'll melt your popsicle. Whoa, California girls.
California girls.
Yes, we got it on lock. West Coast represent. Now put your hands up. Whoa, Tone Town fitting ready. Turn it off 'cause it's getting heavy. Wild, wild West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. I mean the ones I mean like she's one. Kiss her, touch her, squeeze her bones. The girl's a freak. She drive a Jeep. Live on the beach. I'm okay. I won't play. I love the beach like I love LA. Venice Beach and Palm Springs. Summertime is everything. Homeboy is banging out all that ass hanging out. Bikinis, zucchinis, martinis, no weenies, just a king and a queenie. Katie, my lady, lucky here, baby. I'm all up on you 'cause you representing California. Fine, fresh face, we got it on lock. Done kiss skin so hot, we'll match a popsicle. Whoa, California girls.
California girls.
We got it on lock. West Coast represent. Now put your hands up. Whoa.
Scottish girls. California ghettos. Melbourne.
Maybe on Colonel, I forget.
Maybe on Carno.
That was, just to point that out, that was my friend did a Cornish translation of that for the Cornish thing. And it was a fantastic thing. Comparisons are easily done once you've had a taste of perfection. Like an apple hanging from a tree, I picked the ripest one. I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess that second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your chest to chest, nose to nose, palm to palm. We were always just that close, wrist to wrist, toe to toe, lips that felt just like the inside of a rose. So how come when I reach out my finger, it feels like more than distance between us? In this California king bed, we're 10,000 miles apart. I'll be California wishing on these stars for your heart, for me, my California king. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA, California, dreaming on such a winter's day. Stopped into a church, I pass along the way. Oh, well, I got down on my knees and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher likes a cold. He knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you, what you would do if I were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your California dreaming. That was very, very fun. Thank you, Jorginho. Thank you, everybody. Aw.
Oh, thank you for the music.
Yeah. Bruv, don't worry. We got you. We got you, Greg.
Whoa.
Don't worry. We are getting there.
Mind reader.
So there's one song that I do have to do because I know there is at least 2 Chinese people watching, and I'm sure that there's 1 or 2 more who are just very quiet in the chat. So, anybody who knows anybody else who speaks Chinese, you should send them this link and get them to watch. And we're going to finish off with... Excuse me? I didn't get that at all. But thanks. Yeah. So yeah, this is our final set. Unfortunately, we are coming to the end.
Hey. Come
Bruv, what?
Oh, I see. Okay, I didn't.
João, can you rustig aan? This is a bit of a stretch. We're gonna do 2 final songs. Yes, João, that could also be interpreted in that way. I can hear you chuckling behind the cameras. Okay. Such fun. What's the name of the one we're doing? Oh yeah, thank you. Oh, obrigado.
Obrigadinho pela musicinha.
Okay, so we're gonna do 3. Because we're gonna do this one because I really love it.
Yeah, that made sense.
Yeah. We're gonna do 3 songs because one of them's kind of quick. Don't say 'cause I know I'm cute. Louis down to my drawers, LV all on my shoes. I've been dripping so much sauce, got a bitch looking like ragu. Lit up like a crisp bowl, well that's cool, baby, so is you, that's how I roll. If I'm shining, everybody gotta shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. I'm like Chardonnay, get better over time. Heard you say I'm not the baddest bitch you like. My fault that I'm out here on the loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on the juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making moves. I'm the burden on the proof. Gotta blame it on my juice. Yeah. Blame it on my juice, baby. Yeah. let's snack it all. No, baby, I'm the whole damn meal. David, you ain't being slick, don't dare to try to feel. The juice ain't worth squeeze if the juice don't look like this. Hold up, Joao, please don't make it take your bitch. So if I'm shining, everybody gotta shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. I'm like shining, they get better over time. Heard you say I'm not the baddest bitch you like. It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose, gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out there making news. I'ma put it in the proof, gotta blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice, blame it on my juice. Somebody come get this man, I think he got lost in my DMs. You better come get your man, I think you wanna be way more than friends. Way more than friends, oh. It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose, gotta blame it on the juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making moves. Gotta put it in the proof, gotta blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice, gotta blame it on the juice. Blame it on the juice, gotta blame it on the juice, baby. Many Cambodian the Thank you everybody for joining. It's been really lovely seeing you here. Make sure that you donate all your puli on Pecha Af underneath. Use Google Translate, it is your friend. Otherwise, remember to like, subscribe. I hate saying it, but it helps us out way more than you guys could imagine. And send this to literally everybody you know. The more views we have, the more YouTube likes us. We know you like us, we need to prove that to YouTube. Otherwise, thank you everybody for joining. It's been lovely singing for you all. This was a really nice concert. And see you all next week. Stay safe and have fun. Thank you, Trish. Lots of love. Eto. I'm nothing special, in fact. I'm a bit of a bore.
Don't say that.
If I say a joke, you've probably heard it before. But at least it's not sexist.
That part is true.
But I have a talent, a wonderful thing. 'Cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who could live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me.
Mamma zei dat ik danste voordat ik liep. Aprendi a cantar antes de aprender a falar. Às vezes.
But I often wonder, where did it all start? Who found out that nothing can capture a heart like a melody can? Well, whoever it was, I'm a fan. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me.
lucky. I am the girl with golden hair. I want to sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a life, what a chance. Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me.
Thank you, everybody, for joining. See you next week. Love you all. Stay safe. Don't get corona.
And give us your money.
Yeah.
And give us your money.
They know, they know.
Aw,
Abraços.
you're all very welcome. It was so lovely for you all to join. Yeah, see you guys soon.
Lovely for you all to join.
What did I say?
Yeah, that's what you said. Lovely for you all.